Happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow on Black Friday, I've been promised by FedEx that I'm finally going to get my delivery of the 5 sneak peeks for Diamond Art Club, and I'm going to go live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and open them for you live. Be in chat with me here on Wanda's Workbasket, in the live stream here on YouTube, and on my Facebook group. I'm going to open all 5 live. You've seen them already on Diamond Art Club Instagram, on the VIP group, on Catherine's collages. You're probably going to even buy them first thing in the morning whenever they go live. This will be a little bit like a first look rather than a sneak peek, but blame it on FedEx. Diamond Art Club mailed them out to me over a week ago, and FedEx said, "Oh, I'm not going to deliver them to you till Friday." Blame FedEx. I can't wait though. I'm going live 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Black Friday to show you the sneak peeks I should have had. And if allowed, even a little sneak peek for Cyber Monday. I've got one that I adore. I can't wait to see it. And it's coming in the package too, and it's for Cyber Monday. So I'm going to ask for Diamond Art Club's permission to show it just a little bit, like a day or two early, but it's for Cyber Monday, y'all. And I hope I see you there. I can't wait. 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you soon. Bye, divas.